Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I want to make a quick video on changing out the wiper blades. A lot of people run into this with a lot of their vehicles. This is a Hyundai Sonata 2021, and I know that a lot of the Hyundais have this problem, and a lot of people kind of seem confused about it because before you used to be able to just lift this up and change out your wiper blades, and changing them out is pretty simple, but the hood's in the way. So there's actually a little step that you have to take to go ahead and get the windshield wipers to come up. So I'll go ahead and show you. All right, so I'm inside the car. So go ahead and get in your car, obviously, and you want to go ahead and turn on the car. It doesn't matter if you have a push button or a key, just go ahead and turn it on. Sorry, let me turn off the music. So all you have to do is turn it back off now. And when you turn it off, you got about 10 to 20 seconds. All you want to do is the wiper blade switch here. Just hold it up. And there you go. They are now up, and now you can go ahead and step out and make the change. So here we go. Okay, now that they are all up, I actually went ahead and changed that one, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to change this one here. So with mine, it's actually a little different. You have a little tab that you actually got to lift up and pop up. So I use a little screwdriver. Now you can lift it up, and all you got to do is pull down. Just like that. And it's out. Now, just so y'all know, these are some of the best wipers I've ever used. I've used them in all my cars, and I actually get them at Costco. They run you normally about 10 bucks, but they go on sale sometimes for about 7 bucks, sometimes even 6. But they last a long time, and I live in Phoenix, and the sun really tears stuff up. So they normally last me 1 or 2 years, so they're worth it. So to get this on, same thing. You just gotta slide it in and slide up, and you're done. Snaps in. These even have a little cover, and you're done. There you go. All right, now that I've gone ahead and changed it, now all you have to do is you're gonna turn on the car again. Hit the switch, and you're done. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. So it shouldn't be more than probably I'd say 3 or 4 minute job, depending how difficult it is to remove your blades. Not everyone's blades are a little different, so just be careful. Like I said, mine I had to use a screwdriver to kind of pry off that little lock that it had, but the new ones literally snap in, and that's it. So hopefully you like this video, and thanks for watching. Catch you next time when we're just so bored again. We make another video. Later.